Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing great and have a wonderful day. So I have finally implemented the jQuery validations, though it was quite a complicated task, and I have to hire some jQuery developer because applying simply required attribute is a different thing. But in getting the actual validation, like phone numbers and mail, that was some sort of different thing. But finally, it is done, as you can see here. If I place the name of two characters and email of for example two characters and phone like this, and when I press send, so it shows all the validation. Name should contain at least 3 characters, email should contain 3 characters, and phone should contain 10 digits. Yeah, so when I press 10 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so as you can see the phone validation has been removed, and when I press 2 icons you can see, and when I hit okay, so all the validation will get removed, and first message here thanks, something like this. So it is not on local host, so the mail will not be sent. When we put it on the live server, then the mail is sent. Okay, so it is working perfectly fine now. And one thing more, that is you are seeing that the gap is displaying. As you can see here clearly, there is no gap showing. For example, when I come to this screen, there is no gap here. Similarly, when I come to this screen, there is no gap. The thing is that when you view the site on a very high resolution screen, for example, let me control minus the screen like this. Okay, now let me press control minus. See, when you come here, you ask about the gap. This is not the gap, this is the by default behavior of any website. You can check any website, because the content is less, so the below portion is displaying. When we come here in this section, the content is large. As you can see, content is going, that's why the next section is not displaying. If in this section the content is also short, for example, if I remove 1 2 3 div, then automatically the next div will be displayed. So it is not some sort of gap issue. This is a by default and general behavior, and it depends upon the content length and content. For example, let me show you an example. When we click here, the bottom content is not displaying. Okay, now let us come here, copy this thing. Let me open the file. Okay, let me go here and remove some of the div from here. Div. Okay, now refresh the page. Now we have reduced the content on this section. Just to show you an example, now when I click here, you can see the content, this one. Now the content down is also showing. So this is not an issue. This is the by default behavior of any website, and it depends upon the content. If the content is large, the middle portion is automatically hidden, and if the content is very small, so it is a by default behavior. The website has to take the extra space from top and bottom, and the content will be shown. So it is not any issue. I hope this makes sense. Thank you very much. So I am sending you the final files. Thank you.